Can you name all these personal care products in English? By the end of this lesson, we'll be able to talk fluently about your personal care routine in English. Hello everyone, I'm Safa from S.R.I.M.Y Speaking Academy. In today's lesson, we'll learn everything you need to talk about personal care in English. We'll cover real vocabulary, pronunciation, useful expressions, linking words, common sentence, a real conversation and speaking practice, and finally, how to talk about this topic in IELTS speaking. Let's get started. First, let's learn the essential vocabulary. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and practice the pronunciation. Women's bathrobe, women's bathrobe. Man's bathrobe, man's bathrobe. Bath slippers, bath slippers. We've just learned the essential products for men. Now let's move on to women's personal care, starting with skincare essentials. First, cleanser, cleanser, toner, toner, moisturizer, moisturizer, serum, serum, sunscreen, sunscreen, face mask, face mask, lip balm, L silent, lip balm, micellar water, micellar water, exfoliator, exfoliator, face oil, face oil, eye cream, eye cream, lip scrub, lip scrub. Great job! Next, let's learn the most common body care products. Body wash, soap, body lotion, body cream, body moisturizer, body scrub, shower gel, deodorant, perfume, body oil, sunscreen, roll-on, with wipes, razor. Excellent. Now let's move on to hair care essentials. Shampoo, repeat after me. Shampoo, conditioner, conditioner, hair mask, hair mask, hair oil, hair oil, hair serum, hair serum, leave-in conditioner, leave-in conditioner, dry shampoo, dry shampoo, hair spray, hair spray, hairbrush, hairbrush, comb, be silent, comb, comb, hair dryer, hair dryer, hair clip, hair clip, hair tie, hair tie, scalp, scalp, scrub, scalp, scrub. Wonderful. Now let's look at feminine hygiene products and learn their English names. Sanitary pad, sanitary pad, panty liner, panty liner, tampon, tampon, menstrual cap, menstrual cap, period panties, period panties, sanitary napkin, sanitary napkin, menstrual pads, menstrual pads, intimate wash, intimate wash, intimate wipes, intimate wipes, intimate deodorant, intimate deodorant, pad, roper, pad, roper, disposal bag, disposal bag. Excellent. Finally, let's learn some essential oral care products that we use every day. Toothbrush, toothpaste, electric toothbrush, mouthwash, dental floss, floss picks, tongue scraper, interdental brush, interdental brush, toothpick, bread spray, denture cleaner, denture cleaner, lip balm. Great job. Now let's move on to hair removal methods. Listen carefully and repeat after me. shaving, shaving, waxing, waxing, laser hair removal, laser hair removal, threading, threading, depilatory cream, depilatory cream, epilator, 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 tweezers, tweezers, eyebrow razor, eyebrow razor, electric razor, electric razor, braid trimmer, braid trimmer, shaving cream, shaving cream, aftershave, aftershave, shaving foam, shaving foam. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Wash my face, wash my face, brush my teeth, brush my teeth, floss my teeth, floss my teeth, rinse my mouth, rinse my mouth, take a shower, take a shower, shampoo my hair, shampoo my hair, condition my hair, condition my hair, comb my hair, comb my hair, be silent, comb my hair, dry my hair with a towel, dry my hair with a towel, apply moisturizer. We can also say put on moisturizer, apply sunscreen. We can also say put on sunscreen, apply deodorant. We can also say put on deodorant, put on deodorant, remove makeup, remove makeup, wash my body, wash my body, shave my legs, shave my legs, wax my legs, wax my legs, use an epilator, use an epilator, spray perfume. Also, we can say put on perfume, put on perfume. Wear a bathrobe, wear a bathrobe, brush my hair, brush my hair, trim my nails, trim my nails, wipe my face, wipe my face, clean my ears, clean my ears, wash my hands, wash my hands. Good job! Excellent. Now let's connect our ideas using some common link words. For example, usually. Usually I take a shower in the evening. Normally, normally I keep my routine simple. Every morning, every morning I wash my face. Every night I remove my makeup. Before before I leave the house I apply sunscreen. And also you can say I put on sunscreen. After after I brush my teeth I use mouthwash because I use sunscreen because it protects my skin. So I moisturize my skin so it doesn't feel dry. Another example, that's why I have a simple routine. That's why it only takes 10 minutes. In my opinion, good hygiene is very important. If you want to speak more fluently in English or get a higher score in IELTS speaking test, these linking words will help you organize your ideas naturally. Are you ready? Let's practice with some common IELTS speaking question. Part 1. What's your daily personal care routine? Every morning, I brush my teeth, wash my face, and apply moisturizer. Then I comb my hair, put on deodorant, and use sunscreen before leaving the house. In the evening, I usually take a shower and follow my sunscare routine before going to bed. Do you spend a lot of time getting ready? No, really. I prefer to keep my routine simple. It usually takes me about 20 minutes to get ready because I only use the products I really need. What personal care product can't you live without? I'd say sunscreen. I use it every day because it protects my skin from the sun and helps keep it healthy. How important is personal hygiene? I think personal hygiene is extremely important. It helps you stay healthy, feel fresh, and make a good impression on other people. Excellent work! If you want to sound more like a native speaker, these idioms and expressions are a great place to start. Look your best to look as attractive and well groomed as possible. For example, I always take care of my skin so I can look my best. Freshen up to wash, clean yourself, or make yourself feel and look fresh. For example, I need to freshen up before the meeting. As clean as a whistle. Extremely clean. Example, after my shower, I feel as clean as a whistle. Get ready. To prepare yourself for an activity or event. Example, I need to get ready for work. Feel fresh. To feel clean, refreshed, and full of energy. Example, I always use mouthwash to feel fresh. Excellent. Now, let's finish this lesson with a short, real live dialogue. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Hello, can I help you? Yes, please. I'm looking for a good face wash. Is it for a dry skin or oily skin? It's for dry skin. I recommend this gentle face wash. Would you also like a moisturizer? Yes, that's a good idea. I'll take one. Anything else? Yes, I also need a toothbrush, toothpaste, and deodorant. Here you are. Thank you. How much is everything? It's $28. Great. I'll pay by card. Thank you. Have a nice day. Have a good one. Keep learning, keep speaking, and keep growing. This is S.R.I.M.Y Speaking Academy. See you in the next lesson. Bye. Don't forget to like, subscribe.